pagpalagay na natin, no, tama po yung sinasabi po ninyo regarding the formula. Pero at the end of the day, the question here is why did the President sign 2025 budget knowing na ito nga, iniimbestigahan natin na napaka maanomalya nitong budget na ito. So nakikita nila by merely signing it, he is accountable. It's either hindi niya ginagawa ng maayos yung trabaho niya or, di ba, alam niya na may mali dito, pero sinayna niya pa rin.
Okay, di ba nag-line item siya? Because I don't know, my impression is this was not related to me. This is my impression. I think impression was that my impression is that worried sila doon sa repercussion or enacted budget. In fact, if you will go back to his SONA, di ba sabi niya na parang kung hindi ayos yung budget, di bali ng magka-re-enacted budget. So based on that statement, it seems that we will conclude na yun yung reason kung bakit niya pinirmahan. Number one yan. Number two, yung pirma niya doesn't mean naman na pinayagan niya yung mga insertions. Ito, very clear ito na nung napirmahan, pinahold lahat ng insertions. Pinahold yan lahat. Hindi pinarelease. Tapos, pinaaral mabuti. And alam ko, as of July 29, 2025, merong 80 billion out of the insertions na totally hindi ma-release. Yun, personal knowledge ko yun. Kasi di ba ako yung nag-aral nung insertions
Yeah.
So sigurado ko na up to July 29, 2025, merong 80 billion na hindi na-release. Sumunod, okay, kasi parang ang nangyayari, kinokonect tayo yung mga ghost projects tsaka yung mga substandard doon sa 2025 budget, no? I will make it clear na I don't think there were substandard and ghost projects in the 2025 budget. Bakit? Bakit ko nasabi yan? Because the SONA was in July, di ba? Yung SONA, July 2025. Yung 2025 budget, in-implement yan siguro March or April. Ibig sabihin, nung nag-inspection ng July, pwedeng ongoing or even if may intention ang isang if may intention na gumawa ng ghost project, kung nadinig lang yung SONA ng presidente, pwedeng sinimulan na yung proyekto yun di ba? So yung mga ghosts could have been in 2020, it's 2024 or earlier, but could not have been 2025 kasi ang lapit ng SONA doon sa period noong paggawa ng project. And if you recall, nagkaroon ng election ban, di ba?
Right.
So, yung mga insertions na yun, hindi napagawa yun noong before the election ban. Kasi yung meeting na tinawag ako na pag-aralan yun is March 24. March 24, March 29 na yung election ban.
So, anong year po nakikita natin yung mga na Ghost Flood Control Project? Which budget implemented it?
I don't think it's 2020. Let me finish lang para lang mas maintindihan. Okay, March 24. So March 29 election ban, di ba?
Yes.
So ibig sabihin, hindi yan na-implement before March 29. Tapos ang election ban is 1 month after the elections. So June 12 lang pwede mag-implement. So between June 12 and July 26 yata yung SONA, wala pang ghost project during that time. So yung ghost project are previous year's budgets. I think you can validate that with the DPWH.
So that's parang mga around, can you say 2022, 2023?
Hindi ko masabi. I don't want to guess. I don't want to guess, but those are previous year's budgets. And secondly, I would like to inform the public na ang DPWH budget has a life of 2 years. So it is, in 2025, is good up to 2026 December.